All right, Falcons. So this is the video directions for investigating darkness on the moon, part 1. And this part, we're getting into the sim. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the sim. And then you can either log in with Google or log in with Clever. Okay, while that loads, I'm going to go look at what I need to do. So we are investigating, this is our question that we're answering. Why is part of the moon dark? So we are going to use this space and we're going to provide some observations that we see in our sim that tells us why part of that moon is dark. So apparently it's going to take a little bit to load. And then we're going to highlight the one answer. So there's only one correct thing to highlight for why the moon is dark. Light from the sun only illuminates half the moon, or shadow is on half of the moon. The moon only makes light on one side. Clouds are blocking half of the moon's light, and the moon is made up of light and dark rocks. So which one did we learn in our sim? So I could just stay in the 2 view. I would actually like to see the 3 view because this is what we were looking at mostly last time we were in the sim. Okay, so the question again is, why is part of the moon dark? So in my sim here, I notice in top view, no matter where my moon is, and I notice I can grab the moon and move it around all the time on this view, and I can pull this view into the big picture here, I notice that it is always half lit. Okay, that is one thing that I could observe. I do notice even though half of it is lit, the view from Earth does change depending on where my moon is at. So notice over here, it looks like it's all lit, but really only half of it is lit. And it's always the half that is facing the sun, right? So record all of those observations that we noticed right here and highlight the correct answer.